As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two portable propane grills, the Bighorn Outdoors Infrared Grill and the Weber Q2800N+. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. Both seem pretty decent, but they definitely have different strengths. The Bighorn is all about that intense heat, right?
Exactly. It boasts the 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit infrared burner. That's for serious searing. The Weber, on the other hand, has a wider temperature range, 250 degrees to 700 degrees Fahrenheit.
So the Bighorn is more of a dedicated steak machine, while the Weber is more versatile, allowing for slow roasting and stuff.
Precisely. And the Bighorn has 19,000 BTUs of heating power compared to Weber. But the Weber has a plus burner for an extra boost.
Interesting. What about size and portability?
The Bighorn is smaller, dimensions around 16DX 21.5 inches, WX 15.4 inches H, and lighter at 30.86 pounds. The Weber is bigger and heavier, 19.7 DX 30, WX 16.7 H, and weighing 51.2 pounds. So the Bighorn is better if you're really tight on space or need to carry it around a lot.
Gotcha. How about materials? I always worry about rust.
Both are stainless steel, so they should hold up well against the elements. The Weber also uses some aluminum and cast iron.
And what about extras? Anything stand out?
The Bighorn comes with a pizza stone, which is cool. It also has a 10-tier adjustable rack.
Nice. The Weber has a high dome lid for cooking larger items, and you can buy a griddle insert separately. Plus, it has a built-in thermometer and the option to connect to Weber Connect Wi-Fi.
Oh, that's a cool feature. What about the price?
The Bighorn is much cheaper, around $199.99. The Weber is $399.
Okay, so Bighorn is good for high heat searing on a budget. And the Weber offers more versatility and features, but costs more. Thanks. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.